want to show you on how to create a Microsoft work email so that you can make use of it and access so many Microsoft tools that Microsoft provide. And as you know that you cannot use your personal email to access your Microsoft tools such as the Gmail, the Outlook, you will either need a school email, your work email, or your business email. Those are the three emails you can use to access the Microsoft tools such as the Power BI, the Microsoft Fabrics, and that of the new development that Microsoft are coming up. So you will need either of those three emails to access those tools. So I'm going to walk you through on how to get this started and how to have a free work email so that you can make use of those tools and you can activate and continue in the process without having to pay any dime or having to pay in the future. You're going to make use of all these tools for free. So first of all, you need to type on your address bar Microsoft Developer. So this first search button comes up here, then you click on it. So we go ahead and click on join now. Okay, by joining now, there is a pop-up dialog box that will appear. If you don't have account with Microsoft, either the Outlook, you need to create an account before it have to take you here. If you notice, I have an account with Outlook, which is my personal email, but in this place I want to sign up so that I can make use of the work email. So if you don't have account, you need to create an account or sign up into this Microsoft developer, because this is how we're going to start making use of this. Okay, I have already signed up to get to this page. So you fix in or fill in the form with your correct country. I'm using Nigeria here. Okay, this Nigeria, and the company, which is compulsory, you need to fix this. I'm going to use Crete, which is the name of my channel, and also I'm keeping it in English, the preferences on English. You go ahead and accept the privacy statement and terms and conditions. So I click on next. So look at this, we are having this option. What is your primary focus as a developer? I will advise you keep it as a personal project, because application to be sold in and others is not necessary. So we're going to make use of personal projects. So I believe you want to have access to all these tools, so it's not bad if you can check all. You don't know when it might be necessary for you to make use of each of these platform that Microsoft provides you. So I'm gonna click on save. Okay, here we come. Set up your Microsoft E5 sandbox. So here you will need to have a monopoly of how you want your configurations of your work email will look like, because you're going to provide us a free domain name, a free domain email address, so that we can use it as something that looks like a work email or that looks like a business email. So for you to have control of your sandbox you need to make use of the configurable sandbox. Then we click on next. So here we have our correct countries there, since we already choose that. Your username, you can make use of your any username. I'm going to use my Crystal Dabs as my username here, and my domain I'm still gonna use. I can use Chris I'm still gonna use Crystal Dabs as my domain. That means I'm actually having a subdomain which is the onmicrosoft.com. Going to use the on the subdomain as you can see on microsoft.com. So if I don't want to have the same thing like this, I can actually want to use Chris Paul as my username, Chris Paul. So whenever I want to log in, I'm going to use Chris Paul at crystaldab at microsoft.com. So you can go ahead and input your
Impute your
correct
correct
password.
password.
Okay, I have completed the password and I will go ahead to continue. So here it comes. You are given that you should add your phone number for security purpose. So I'm going to put my phone number here. Okay, I have inputted my phone number. I'm going to go ahead and click on send code. So I'll wait for the code to come to my phone before I do that. Okay, I will go ahead and fix in the code that has been sent to my mobile number and set up. Okay, let's wait for a while it's do the complete setup progress for our accounts to be created. So once it's done, we can go ahead and create and activate it. Now notice this that this account is on subscription. That means it expires on the September 1st to 2023. So we know that if the only reason and only purpose your account can be deactivated or be renewed is when you continue making use of the Microsoft. So after 3 months, it will automatically renew your subscription because it will notice that you have been continuously using the account. So for you to keep this working, you need to continuously using your Microsoft tools such as the Power BI and other tools that requires you to make use of the make use of your work email or other emails. So that's all, and you can make use of this your domain name and the password that you created to access your Power BI, your Microsoft Fabrics, and other tools that Microsoft provides you. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, I we request you like this video and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be bringing you a lot of things that you need to learn and a quick one for you. So thanks.